Welcome to my channel Chubby Views. Today in this video you'll know about one of the famous billionaire in the world, and he owns 100 million worth private island. And that luckiest billionaire is Richard Branson. Richard Branson is a British business magnate, investor and author. In 1970s, he founded the Virgin Group, which today has more than 400 companies in various fields. Branson decided to become an entrepreneur at a young age. As per July 2021, his net worth is about $5.7 billion. His first business venture was at the age of 16, was a magazine called Student. In 1970s, he set up a mail-order record business. He opened a chain of record stores. Branson Virgin brand grew rapidly during 1980s as he started Virgin Atlantic Airline and expanded the Virgin Record music label. And in 1997, Branson founded the Virgin Rail Group to bid for passenger rail franchises during privatization of British Rail. And in 2004, he founded Spaceflight Corporation, that is Virgin Galactic, based at Mojave Air and Spaceport in California, noted for the space plane designed for space tourism. For his work in retail, music, transport, land, air, sea, space travel, etc., his taste found adventure and his work, he became a prominent global figure. When he was 28 years old, when he first visited the British Virgin Islands in 1978, looking for a retreat to put up rock stars, a year later he managed to buy Necker Island from a hard-up British aristocrat for just $180,000. The island was named after the 17th century Dutch squadron commander Jonathan de Necker. He brought the island to impress his wife John Templeman. Today it's worth about $100 million. This island was inhabited until late 20th century. Necker Island is a 74-acre island in the British Virgin Islands, just north of Virgin Gorda. The island is entirely owned by Richard Branson, a chairman of Virgin Group. The whole island operates as a resort and can accommodate up to 30 guests with additional room for 6 children. Richard, when he first saw this island, after climbing the hill and being stunned by the view and wildlife, and decided to purchase the island. To him it took 3 years and some $100 million to turn into a private island retreat. They used local stones, Brazilian hardwoods, Asian antiques, Indian rugs, art pieces and fabrics and bamboo furniture from Bali. Architects and designers created a 10 bedrooms Balinese-style villa at the top of a hill above the beach. Each bedroom has open walls giving a 360-degree view. It has an accommodation for up to maximum 40 people and rents out in total at $102,500 per day. The cost of staying includes access to 2 beaches, private pools, tennis courts, scenery views, a personal chef, a team of about 100 staff, and a wide array of water sports equipment. Although this island is owned privately by him, it is also open to the public. You can enjoy luxury accommodation and all meals and drinks and hot tub on the beach, 2 floodlit tennis courts, and you can go windsurfing, kite surfing, water skiing, sailing and snorkeling and scuba diving too, and disco DJ is also included. There is a wireless internet throughout the island. On 22nd August 2011, the Great House burned down in fire caused by lightning from tropical storm. At that time, house was occupied by 20 guests with Branson himself. All guests escaped unhurt. The actress Kate Winslet saved 87 years old Branson's mother, and Richard spent $17 million to renew it. And other devastation took place on 6 September 2017. Hurricane Irma made landfall on Necker Island, destroying most of the island, and by 2018, spending millions and millions, he rebuilt it. Even other rich people and millionaires own many luxurious islands, but this island is very special that there will be many celebrities stay every year in this island. Celebrities like Princess Diana stayed with her children in 1990, and Barack and Michael Obama visited in 2017, days after the end of his presidency, and musicians like Ronnie Wood, Harry Styles and Mariah Carey, plus Bill Gates, Desmond Tutu, Jimmy Carter and Case Moss and many more. This island also has endangered animal sanctuary, has 300 different species including Galapagos tortoise, 6 species of lemur and native to Madagascar. It has 6-acre sanctuary for animals. There is also flamingos in Necker Island and you can enjoy even wildlife in this island. Richard Branson likes to make parties and get-togethers in the island. He spends millions to occasion and events. He is an amazing person and enthusiastic person which loves sportsmanship, and compared to other billionaires, he has more contacts of all celebrities and other millionaires in the world. If you want to visit this island, the closest international airport to island is on Tortola, and once you reach the island in the boat, you will be welcomed with a glass of champagne or Neckar water as it's known. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, click the like button and click the bell icon to know my new updates.